All right, this was the last question on your quiz. Again, we see a negative quadratic. One of the x-intercepts is 5. The x-coordinate of the maximum is 3. So here's my maximum. This x value is 3. We don't know the y value. So my 3 is down here. One of the x-intercepts is 5. That must be this one. Using symmetry, this one must be 1. The function is given in this form. Notice my a is -1. Well, I would more easily write this equation in root form. So in root form, I would get f of x equals negative. One root is 1, so I have x minus 1. Because remember, always opposite sign. So this is +1, so -1 times x minus 5. So I'm going to just expand this, and that's going to give me my values of b and c. So negative x times x is x squared. Minus 5x minus 1x is going to be minus 6x. Negative times negative is going to make +5. But now I'm going to multiply everything by my negative. Negative x squared plus 6x minus 5. That makes sense that this value down here would be a -5. And now I can see that my b value is 6 and my c value is -5. So make sure that we answer the question. The domain is 0 to 6. Well, if I move 1 this way and end up at -5. If I move 1 this way, I would end up at 6, and I would also be down here at -5. So on this domain, my domain is 0 to 6. So that's from here to here is my domain, 0 to 6. Now I want to know the range with that domain. So my range is going to be from here up until this point, wherever that is. So I need to figure out that point. So I'm going to find f of 3. I can either plug into this equation or this one. I'm going to pick the first one, -3 minus 1 times 3 minus 5. That's going to give me negative times 2 times -2, which is +4. So now I know this y value is 4. So I can say my range, which is only in this area, so my range is -5 less than or equal to y less than or equal to 4. So this is all part of part B, finding the range.